The mini split unboxed. This one is a 9,000 BTU mini split, super efficient and very compact. It comes in 2 boxes. We have the outdoor unit, which is the part down here. This is the outdoor unit, and this is the indoor unit. So this is what you mount onto your wall on the inside. You have your mounting bracket here, and you have your plumbing back here. And on top, this is where the air vent is. On the bottom, it looks just like this. And then you have this part right here that opens for the air vent that goes into your home. So this one provides heating and cooling. It is 9,000 BTU, and unlike portable AC units, these are much more efficient. Why are they more efficient? 2 reasons. Number 1, they're more efficient because this unit is completely outside your room. So it's the part where the heating happens, where it produces the cool air, and then this is the part that's inside that blows the cool air out to you, and this part stays outside. Secondly, there's no need to kind of open up your window and run an air pipe outside of your room, because there is a lot of efficiency loss because there's leakage of heating. This one, you will need to drill a hole to run the tubing. So you see right here, there is the refrigerant tubing that you do need to cut a hole out, and they do include everything you need to cut your hole and to seal it, and then to have proper installation. So you do have all the equipment needed. Very simple. It's not as complicated as you think. It's just they're cut out right here to run this line out, and then you have power. You need to power this. Now this unit uses 115 volt AC, so it's just basically the same type of power you would get from your wall outlet. And you will need to have professional installation for this, but it is a do-it-yourself if you know what you're doing. It's quite easy compared to units that are 230 volt or 240 volt. Those are a little bit more difficult to install. The 115 volt like this one is easier to install. So this part mounts on the inside, and then you have a hole that runs and connect to this. So the what runs outside is this pipe right here. So it runs over and it connects to here. You have the valve cover here, and then over here you're gonna have your wiring cover for this part. So this is the wiring, and this is down here going to be the protective cover for the gas valve and the liquid valve that are behind here. So we can take a closer look at the gas valve and the liquid valve. I'll put this down real quick right here, and I can show you what it looks like. So this is the outdoor unit. This one stays outside, and remember, this part does get hot, but it's outside of your room, and it does make a noise, makes quite a bit of noise for basically AC noise, right? But it doesn't get noisy inside your room because this stays outside. And portable AC units or window mounted AC unit, you can hear the noise. So this is perfect because this is outside, it's more efficient, there's no leakage, there's no pipes that run through the window, so it's more efficient, and you have this unit that is hot and it's already outside. So this is what the unit looks like. You can mount this to a concrete mounting pad, and then on the back here, you can see the wiring. So this is where the gas lines look like. This is where they go in and out, and then this is your electrical wiring right here. So you can move this plate and you have your electrical wiring here. And then this is the back of the unit. It's very simple, very compact for 9,000 BTU. Now they do make units that are multiple heads. For example, you have an outdoor unit that will connect to multiple indoor unit for different rooms. But this one is a little bit more simple. It's just one outdoor unit and one indoor unit, and it's quite compact for 9,000 BTU. It's going to be super efficient, super quiet, and it's going to look very clean once it's installed. You do have a remote control and a little bracket to mount the remote control, and you have all the necessary equipment you need to install this mini split. It has Wi-Fi capability. It does cooling and heating, which I really like because we don't have a good heating system in our home, and we've used a portable AC unit for heating, but it makes a lot of noise during the winter. And in heating mode, most portable ACs have a lot of water condensation. This one right here, your water condensation is gonna come out right here in the drain pipe. That way, the water just runs out and drains outside. You don't have to worry about a bucket or capturing water. It's just an extremely efficient way to have a portable, not portable, but a compact AC unit that you can add to your home that is going to be extremely efficient, extremely quiet, and look really good. This is the 9000 BTU mini split unboxed right here. Oh yeah.